We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying and frustrating, so let's go and get into some fixes. First of all, we need to make sure our iPhone's got plenty of storage and space for the app. Go and click on the app we're trying to get, and you want to scroll to the bottom, and you can then go and see the size of it, which is 121 megabytes. I think it's worth having double that amount of space free on your iPhone. So I should have 240. So if you come to your main settings on your iPhone, click on general and then go and click on iPhone storage, you can go and see I've got 123 out of 128, meaning I've got 8 gigs free. So I've got plenty of space, but just check yours. If you haven't got any space, go and delete some apps, photos, etc. If you've got plenty of storage space but apps still aren't downloading, it's worth doing a forced restart on your phone to refresh everything. So what you want to do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the power button. Keep on holding it down, your phone screen will shortly go black, and then you'll see the Apple logo. At that point, you will let go. It's black, but keep holding it. There's the Apple logo and we can release it. After your iPhone is restarted, go back to the App Store and go and see if you can now download apps.